How to find your account ID in Bloodstrike. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to find your account ID in Bloodstrike, then it is actually pretty quick. First of all, launch open the Bloodstrike game on your device and wait for it to load fully on the main lobby screen. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on your top left corner and tap on your profile icon. You'll then end up in this personal info section where you need to look for this long string of numbers. That will be your account ID. Copy the account ID by tapping on the copy button, and once the ID is copied on your device's clipboard, you can use it whenever you need it for support, recovery, or account linking. So that's how it's done. Now you have successfully found your Bloodstrike account ID. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.